Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a fire set of nails. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this black polish by LAPALM, and it is a regular polish and it's in the color Little Black Dress, so it's just a plain black. And I'm doing this because, or I'm doing the black because I'm doing just full rhinestones on the black ones. And then for the rest of the nails, I'm just going to do this yellowed out polish by Ruby Kiss, and it is a regular polish as well. Alrighty, and I will be doing just one coat of this yellow because I am going to go back and do the ombre effect on them. So whenever I do the ombre, I only do one coat. That way whenever I go back to do my ombre effect, it's completely dry. Alrighty, so once again I'm using this black LAPALM polish in the color Little Black Dress, and it is a regular polish. And then my yellow one will be a yellowed out by Ruby Kiss. Alrighty, so remember, you want to make sure you only do one coat, and then the one coat that you do, you want to make sure it's not too thick, so when we get to the part it won't mess up. So now I'm going to use a makeup wet sponge. I'm going to do that yellow, and I'm using a hot pink, and then I'm just going to dab it on the nail. So as you can see, it is going to turn to like an orangey color. So if you do want that like true pink color on there, you want to make sure that you do a white base instead. So you would do a white base instead of the yellow, and then you still do the yellow and the pink on your sponge. So this is if you want that pink to show up as pink and not orange. But anyways, we're gonna go around and clean with a little brush and acetone, and you want to basically just keep doing this until you get that coverage that you want. And this is the reason why I only do one coat of that base color, because if it wasn't dry, then it wouldn't even go on good how it's supposed to. So once again, you want to just keep doing this until you get that coverage that you want. And we're gonna do this on all her nails except for that index finger and then the pinky on her other hand, because we will be doing a camo effect on those. Alrighty, and remember to always go back around the cuticle area and wipe off that excess polish, or if you have that little, I don't know if it's glue or something that you put around the cuticle area and then you just snatch it right off whenever you're done, you could also do that. But I like to just wipe it off with acetone and a little brush. It's just much easier. So once again, we're using a pink and a yellow, and we're just gonna dab it on the nail until we get the coverage that we want. So we're just gonna alternate from nail to nail. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with this black nail art paint by Broadway, and you can find these at your local Dollar General. They're only $1. So yeah, we're going to go in and just draw the flames, and this design was inspired by Dallas J Nails. So I'll leave her name in the description so you guys can go follow her on Instagram. She is my favorite nail person, so I always look at her stuff for inspiration. So once again, I'm using this black nail art paint by Broadway, but you really could use any little brush or any little black polish, whatever makes it easier for you. So we're just going to draw the flames on all her nails, remember, except for that index finger and the pinky, because we're doing camo on those two nails. Alrighty, so I am going to go back in and do a second coat of that yellow on that index finger. We are doing a camo on that nail, so I do want a full coverage. I honestly don't know what I was thinking when I only did one coat. So I'm going to do a second coat on that other pinky as well. Once again, we are doing a camo on those two fingers. Alrighty, so for this camo, I am using all the same colors that I used on the ombre. So I'm also going to go in and add a little bit of an orange, since we did get that orangey tint on the ombre nails. But other than that, I am just using this pink. I'm going to use that black, and I'm also going to use an orange. And as you can see, I'm just doing the little camo effect. I just kind of alternate from the colors, or between the different colors, and then just fill up the nail with the little camo spots. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to go in with my Mia Secret gel resin, and I'm going to be applying some black rhinestones on these two nails. So I'm using my SS6 and my SS12, and I'm just going to alternate from the two sizes. Once again, I am using my Mia Secret gel resin and my wax pencil to apply the rhinestones. And I'm also going to be applying my Mia Secret activator spray, so it would help that glue dry a bit faster. And then we're just going to go in and apply a top coat. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to go in and apply my gel top coat. So that, as you guys know, I did use regular polish for my ombre. So remember, whenever you're doing a gel top coat over regular polish, you want to make sure that the regular polish is completely dry. You want to make sure it's 100% dry before you apply that top coat, because if not, it will wrinkle up or it'll bubble up and do all type of funny stuff. So you want to make sure that that regular polish is completely dry, and I cannot stress that enough. Trust me, it will mess up if it's not completely dry. Then we're going to cure them for 60 seconds and that will be it. Alrighty y'all, so this is the final look. They turned out so pretty. That color combination is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at GetNail32 and stay tuned for more videos to come.